The Lost Wallet. My name is Emma. I am 22 years old. I live in a small town with my parents and my little brother. I work in a bookstore, and I like my job because I love books and meeting new people. One Saturday morning, I woke up early. The weather was warm and sunny, so I decided to go to the city center. I wanted to buy a birthday gift for my best friend, Lily. I took the bus and arrived at the shopping street at 10 o'clock. There were many people. Some people were shopping, some were drinking coffee, and children were playing with their parents. First, I went to a gift shop. I found a beautiful blue notebook and a nice pen. I knew Lily liked writing stories, so I bought them. After that, I went to a bakery and bought 2 small cakes. When I left the bakery, I saw something on the ground. It was a brown wallet. I looked around, but nobody was looking for it. I picked up the wallet and opened it carefully. Inside, there was some money, an ID card, a bank card, and a family photo. The man in the photo was smiling with 2 little children. I looked at the ID card. The man's name was David Brown. I wanted to help him, but I did not know where he was. I decided to go to the nearest police station. On my way, my phone rang. It was my mother. "Hello, Emma. Where are you?" she asked. "I am going to the police station," I said. "Is everything okay?" she asked. "Yes," I answered. "I found a wallet, and I want to give it to the police." My mother said, "That is very kind of you. I am proud of you." When I arrived at the police station, I talked to a police officer. I gave him the wallet and told him where I found it. The police officer smiled and said, "Thank you for your honesty. We will contact the owner." I felt happy because I knew I did the right thing. About 1 hour later, I was sitting in a small cafe. I was drinking orange juice when a man came to my table. "Excuse me," he said. "Are you Emma?" "Yes," I answered. "My name is David Brown," he said. "The police told me that you found my wallet." I smiled and said, "Yes, I found it near the bakery." David looked very happy. "I want to thank you," he said. "The money was not the most important thing. The family photo is very special to me." He showed me the photo again. "These are my children," he said. "They gave me this picture last Father's Day." I smiled and said, "They have beautiful smiles." David thanked me again and wanted to give me some money as a reward. I said, "Thank you, but I don't need any money. I am happy because I could help you." He smiled and shook my hand. Before he left, he said, "The world needs more honest people like you." His words made me feel very happy. In the evening, I went to Lily's birthday party. I gave her the notebook and the pen. She opened the gift and smiled. I love it, she said. We ate cake, talked, laughed, and listened to music. I told my friends the story about the wallet. Everyone agreed that helping other people is always a good idea. When I went home that night, I thought about my day. I bought a gift for my friend, met new people, and helped someone who needed help. It was a simple day, but it became a very special day. From that day, I learned an important lesson. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. When we help other people, we also feel happier. Kindness is free, but it is one of the greatest gifts we can give. The end.